From the sacred land of Orissa, Fakir Mohan University, named after Utkara Vyasa Fakir Mohan Senapati, upholds harmony of knowledge, culture and tradition. Reflecting this spirit, we present Odissi, one of India's oldest classical dance forms where devotion, rhythm and sculptural grace come alive on stage. Jai Jagannath!
Hari Om, 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 Hari Om. Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om. Guru Brahma